Hi, I'm Lee Crocker, freelance artist who believes in arts for everyone.
I'm Alison and Lee, and I'm a visual artist and illustrator. I tend to call myself a maker and a painter as well.
I worked for a long time at the Bury Art Museum and also with freelance. I do a lot of events, drawing for everyone, like using life models and music.
I've been working as a visual artist for nearly 15 years in and around Manchester. I've exhibited quite a few Manchester galleries like the City Art Gallery, Whitworth. I've got a really big DIY ethic, do it yourself and just have a go. So Two Crows Art Studio at the Met, it is going to be artist studios. We're going to be running workshops, we're going to be hosting drawing and art events for all the family, all ages as well. So it's going to be just really inclusive for all different types of people. There's also a small artist shop, so it's all independently made by craft makers and artists.
I'm very excited that we've got this opportunity, hopefully create a brand new audience of people that wouldn't normally want to come to a space and be creative.
Excited about sharing our passion with the people of Bury and meeting lots of new people who can inspire us as much as we can inspire them.
We can't wait to create a brand new spark in Bury for creatives.